Hey everybody, it is day 2 at Devil's Hammock, underwater Devil's Hammock. The road I walked yesterday is just too deep to be safe because of the gators that I know live along the banks of it, and it's all one body of water now. So I am walking out from the Hunter check station, and there was a fork in the road, and I'm taking the right fork, and we're gonna go in there. This next little bit will be immersive wildlife videography. We're gonna stick the camera under a floating fire ant raft and then bring it up in the midst of the raft. Dive. So they are stinging. They are attacking my camera. That was fun. This is in the parking lot at the entrance. Fish spawning in the parking lot, the entrance to Devil's Hammock Wildlife Management Area. Some type of sunfish. I'm gonna have to look it up after I see the video. My day's made. I don't have to see any otters today. I'm good. This is a shot from the brochure produced by the Swanee River Water Management District. The pin is pointing at the location of all the action, the entrance to Devil's Hammock.